Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Junior KG Semester 1 book. Semester 1 book. Yesterday, we have already learned V, capital letter V. V for van, V for van, V for violin, V for violin, V for vase, V for vase. Yes or no? And also W for watermelon, W for watermelon, W for well, W for well, W for whale, W for whale. Now, page number 36 with the new alphabet we will start, that is X. X for fox, X for ox, X for box, X for fox, X for ox, X for box. Have you got? See here. F for fox, F for fox, X for ox, X for ox, X for box, X for box. Okay. Fox, fox, Ox, ox, Box, box. In this way they have given. Now I will trace the lines to complete the pattern. Trace the lines here. This way you put one line, slanting line. This way. You have to put this way. And then this side one slanting line. This is a slanting line. Just go on doing. And now trace the letter X. Trace the letter X. See here. That what I have shown you in the pattern. First this side. Then this side. First slanting line. Then this side one slanting line. This is X. How to write X here? X. Have you understood? After writing X, no? You say and write. X for fox, X for ox, X for box. Then again. X for fox, X for box, X for ox. In this way, go on writing like this and complete this page. We will go for another alphabet, that is Y. Y for yat, Y for yat, Y for yak, Y for yak, Y for yo, Y for yo, Y for yat, Y for yat, Y for yak, Y for yak, Y for yo. Now I will show you the pattern. Trace the line to complete the pattern. Trace the line to complete the pattern. See here how to write. So this way you have to write. This way. This is the pattern for Y. Pattern for Y. And this is one straight line. And write the letter Y. This is Y. Y for yat. This is yat. Y for yak. And Y for yo. Yo. Y K, yak. And this is yat. This is yat. Ek, मैमल है, ऑक्स की तरह। इसके बॉडी पे बहुत सारे बाल रहते हैं, बहुत सारे बाल रहते हैं। ये यो एक खिलौना है जो बच्चों खेलते हैं। देखो ऊपर नीचे से, जब तुम ये रस्सी को खींचोगे ना वो ऊपर आता है हाथ में, जब छोड़ोगे पूरा रस्सी नीचे जाता है। और ये तो तुम्हें पानी में रहता है। और फॉक्स तुम्हें बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तुम्हें पता है। ऑक्स भी तुम्हें पता है, फॉक्स भी पता है, बॉक्स सबको पता है। ओके, एंड नाउ राइट in this only, just go on writing. Say and write. Y for yo, Y for yak, Y for yat, Y for yat, Y for yo, Y for yak. You can say and write like this. Y for yak, Y for yo, Y for yak. This is yak. Okay. Today we have completed X and also Y. Now one more letter, only one letter will remain now, for that is Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. Z for zip. Z for zip. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zero, zero, that is round, zero. Then this is zip. Zip you know, no? तुम्हारे स्कूल के बैग में जिप है ना, ऊपर चेन जो खींचते हो मोटा वाला, एंड दैट इज, दिस इज Z फॉर zebra. Z फॉर zebra. नाउ ट्रेस द लाइन्स टू कंप्लीट द पैटर्न. ट्रेस द लाइन्स टू कंप्लीट द पैटर्न. ये जो ऊपर का लाइन तुम्हें दिख रहा है रेड लाइन को, ऐसे करो, ऐसे मिडल, ऊपर का मिडल लाइन का ऊपर ले लो. ऊपर का लाइन जो है, ऊपर का लाइन ऐसे एक स्लीपिंग लाइन की तरह डाल दो ऐसे. फिर ये स्लैंटिंग लाइन फॉर ट्री लाइन. टच द ट्री लाइन एंड टेक द स्लैंटिंग लाइन एंड देन राइट हियर नाउ. Z फॉर zebra, Z for zero, and Z for zip. Z for zip, Z for zero, Z for zebra. Say Z for zero, Z for zero, Z for zip, and Z for zebra. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zip, and Z for, see this way you have to write. Zero, zero. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you have to put the outline in this way, outline, and color this box. Color the box. And yo also you have to give the outline. You have to give the outline like this. Dots are there, no? That one, and give the color. That is X for box, Y for yo, Z for zebra. Zebra also you have to give the outline, complete the outline. Slowly you can give, and then color the zebra. Color the zebra. Now alphabets, capital letters A to Z. A to Z all have been completed. Now alphabet review, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alphabet review, that is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. Now see here. V for van, U for umbrella, Y for yak, B for box, this is Z, zip, W, watermelon. W, watermelon. V for van, U for umbrella, Y for yak, B for box, Z for zip, W for watermelon. That is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. With these alphabets, they have given some pictures. See, this is the picture and you have to draw a line to join each object to its name. Draw a line, see here. Draw a line to join each object to its picture, to its name. Picture is there, to its name. What it is, you have to, now suppose this is a van, no? The van, you have to put a line. We have to join to the van. And then this is the umbrella. Where umbrella is there, that umbrella you have to bring and touch to the umbrella. In this way you have to write. Okay, now see here. V for van. Where the van is? See here. This is VAN, van, no? See, this is the van. This is the van. Have you got it? Yes. Now umbrella. See here. This is the umbrella. UMBRE. If you are not understanding the full spelling to read, first alphabet you can understand and you can write. U for umbrella. See here. This is umbrella. Have you got? And this is yak. This is yak, no? So, here the yak. You can mark it in this way. This is yak. This is yak. And this is, see here. This is watermelon. W for watermelon. If you are not able to read the full one, only W. पहले अक्षर जो है वो पहचान कर आप उसको मार्क कर सकते हो with the help of the picture. And now zip. Where is zip? Where is zip? Zip, zip. See here. ये लड़की के पर्स के यहाँ पे zip है, देखो ZIP, zip. Zip is there, no? Yes. With the help of this you can draw zip with the seer. गुलाबी इसके ऊपर चेन है, उसको तुम्हें जिप पर करना है. अब रह गया है बॉक्स. देखो ये याक जो है उसके नीचे बॉक्स है, वो बॉक्स तुम्हें वहाँ से लेकर इसको ज्वाइन करना है, बॉक्स को ज्वाइन करना है. हैव यू गॉट अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? ओ नाउ page number 40, that is sequencing of the alphabets. See here, A, B, C, D, E. Then F, G, H, I, J. K, L, M, N, O. P, Q, R, S, T. This way you have to go on reading and writing. ट्रेस करके तुम्हें नीचे दिया गया है A, B, C, D, E. यही तुम्हें यहाँ पे लिखना है. A, 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 B, 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 C, 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 D, 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 E, 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 E. ऐसा लिखना है तुम्हें. ये E होने के बाद F, G, H, I ऐसा मत लिखो. ये तुम्हें F नीचे दिया है. F, G, H, I, J. This F, F, F. J, J, J. This is G, 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 G. H, H, H. I, I. J, J, J. You just go on reading and writing. Okay. Now see here. K, 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 K. L, 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 L. M, 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 M. N, 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 N. O, 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 O. This way. P, 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 Q, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 T. This way you say and then U, V, W, U, V, W, U, V, W. This is X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. U, 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 U. V, 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 W, 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 X, 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 Y, 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 Z, 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 Z. This way you just go on writing A to Z. Say and write. You have to say and write. After this, what you do? Today I have completed X 2 pages you write, Y 2 pages and Z 2 pages. Totally you have to write 6 pages and A to Z 2 pages. Total 6 plus 2. 6, 7, 8 pages. And you are knowing very well, you will write very fast. So read and complete it. After writing that, alphabet review. This picture also you complete with the help of the picture. Alphabet U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and here van spelling is given, the words are given and the pictures are given. With the help of the alphabets, you join the pictures. After that, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This you complete. The textbook. After completing the textbook, you come to your 4-line books. I will show you. Open your 4-line book and that you write X for fox, X for ox, X for box, X for box, X for ox, X for fox. In this way you go on writing. This is X for fox, X for ox, X for box, X for box, X for fox, X for ox. In this way you go on writing. Then after completing this 2 pages you write in your 4-line book and then you write Y. Y for yak, Y for yacht, Y for yo, Y for yo, Y for yak, Y for yacht. In this way, again you write the full page, 2 pages. Y for yak, Y for yacht, Y for yo, Y for yo, Y for yak, Y for yacht. In this way, this you write 2 pages. And now Z for zebra here. Z. In Z for zebra, Z for zero and Z for zip. Z for zip, Z for zero, Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zero, Z for zip, Z for zip, Z for zero, Z for zebra. In this way, see here. X 2 pages, Y 2 pages, Z 2 pages you write in your 4-line book. Full page you write. How I wrote? Don't write like this. X you write full page. Y you write the full page. 2 pages. Z full page. Continue again downside and complete the page. Full page you have to write. After writing A to Z. A to Z. See here. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for door, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, O, P for parrot, Q for queen, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, W for watch, W for watermelon, watch, W. X for ox, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Z for zebra. In this way you have to write this also A to Z 2 pages. Now already we have completed A to Z. We will read again. A for arrow, A for axe, A for apple. B for ball, B for bell, B for bat. B for bat. Then C for cat, C for cake, C for cap. D for doll, D for door, D for duck. Alphabet review A, B, C, D. We have already completed. E for egg, E for engine, E for elephant. F for frog, F for fan, F for fish. G for gun, G for gum, G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hat, H for hut, H for hen. Alphabet review E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. This also we have already completed. Now I for ink pot, I for insects, I for igloo. J for jam, J for joker, J for jug, J for jug. K for key, K for king, K for kite. You also read like this. How I am reading. L for lotus, L for lion, L for leaf, L for leaf. Then alphabet review. I, J, K, L. We have already completed this also. Now M for mat, M for monkey, M for mango, M for mango. N for nest, N for net, N for net, N for nest, N for nail polish. O for octopus, O for ostrich, O for orange, O for orange. P for parrot, P for puppy, P for pot, P for pot. Then alphabet review. M, N, O, P. M, N, O, P. We have already completed this also. Now Q for queen, Q for queer, Q for quill. R for reddish, R for ring, R for rat, R for rat. S for snail, S for sun, S for seal. T for table, T for tiger, T for tomato, T for tomato. T. Alphabet review. Q, R, S, T. We have also completed this. U for urn, U for umpire, U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for violin, V for vase. W for watermelon, W for well, W for whale, W for whale. X for fox, X for ox, X for box. Y for yacht, Y for yak, Y for yo, Y for yo. Z for zero, Z for zip, and Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Alphabet review, that is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have already completed this page also. And now sequence of the alphabet. This you have to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, KLMNO PQRST. PQRST. UVWXYZ. UVWXYZ. This also you have to complete. After completing this all, you write in your 4-line book A to Z as I have shown you. Okay children? We will meet in the next video. Thank you.